समस्त कॉलेज स्टार्ट ହେଇଗଲାଣି स्टार्ट ହେଇଗଲାଣି କି କୋଉଥିଲା ବୋଧେ ଲୋରା କୋଉଥିଲା ବୋଧେ
Yes ma'am.
क्लासेस चलची
Yes ma'am.
अच्छा इकोनॉमिक्स क्लास केते कोन पढा होचे बे कॉलेज रे
Ma'am एबे budget start हबो law of DMU budget start. Yes ma'am, law of DMU सेथिरे जो budgeting वाला अछि तो सेथिरे पढौचंती
क्वाइट फास्ट तुम्हारा क्लास ऑनलाइन चलती कि आगुरु
Yes ma'am, online चलतला
ए कांसेप्ट तुम मैंने बुझिनो क्लास रे
मैम एत पढ़ा ही नहीं मैम लॉ ऑफ डीएमयू रे जो बजेटिंग किसी गोटे कॉस्ट थिला समथिंग जोटा कि कोर्स रे नाही बट सेटा किसी रिलेटेड थिला सेटा मैम पढौचंदी
Em कुछ haven't seen your budget in any of your course. Why budget? But I thought some other rules or something. Okay. Okay. Now law variable proportion. Suman is class right? Suman is there. Suman is there. Law variable proportion. I have explained you people. In the marginal cost, average marginal cost, हमें इधर variable cost हमें इधर पढ़ुଥିଲେ मुझे इधर तो हमनों को law of variable proportion बुझेइଥିଲି. Who will make me understand what is the law of variable proportion?
Ma'am, excessive use of variable products leads to decline in production.
It actually is got a statement. This is the one case scenario. Is this the final stage?
I'm keeping the fixed factor same.
Okay. In law of variable proportion, there are 3 stages. जो stages का कथा है वे सुमन तो कहलो that is your third stage. There are 2 more stages in law of variable proportion. Okay, we'll understand now what is the law of variable proportion. Okay, law of variable proportion states that we increase quantity of only one input, keeping other factor fixed. Total product initially will increase at an increasing rate, then at a decreasing rate, and finally at a negative rate. Okay, law of variable proportion एटा हमको कहूची जे जेते बेले हमें सब जक फैक्टर कांस्टेंट रखुचे बट वेरिएबल फैक्टर टा को इंक्रीज करी जाउचे आमो टोटल प्रोडक्ट टा फर्स्ट बढ़िबो then diminishing rate रे बढ़िबो then it will go to a negative rate. Now what do you understand by diminishing rate? Diminishing माने कोन? What do you understand by the word diminishing?
Ma'am, increasing but in a slow manner.
Increasing but
in a slow manner.
In a slow manner. Very good. Okay. Now, हमको law of variable हमको एटा कहूची जे this law is stating that if we increase one variable factor, keeping every factor constant, then our productivity हमको first increasing rate रे मिलिबो, then decreasing rate, diminishing rate रे बढ़िबो, then सेटा negative ହେଇଯିବ. Okay, कौन पे ही जो I'll explain. We'll go to the second slide and I'll explain you that. एबे ଗୋଟେ example देखो, एबे ही चीज जोटा देखो example जोटा मैं लिखी ची जोटा देई ची मो screen ऊपर a landlord has 1 acre of land. Now 1 acre of land is a what kind of a what factor? It a variable factor, fixed factor?
Fixed factor.
Very good. He uses labor से गोटे person use करूथिला seed 10 kg use करूथिला manure bag 5टा use करूथिला result मिलथुला ताकू 10टा bag of wheat. He was getting 10 bags of wheat by using one labor, 10 kg seed and 5 bags of manure. Okay, then he started using, he has increased the labor to 5. He has increased the seed to 50 kg and he has increased the manure bag to 5. He has not increased the manure bag, he had kept that constant. And the result is 20 bags of food. Then again he increased. In the third case we can see he has increased the labor to 10%, seed to 20 kg, manure bag to 20 bags, and your result is 3 bags of food. Now what is the cases that you कौन देखि पारुछ एथिरे टेबल रु कौन जणा पडुची?
Ma'am, if labor will increase, ma'am, then production labor will also increase. And the amount of if the amount of input will increase, then the output will be more.
This is the first scenario that you can see, Laura. or this is the only
Yes,
scenario
ma'am.
that you can see?
No, ma'am. I think this is the only.
Only scenario. Okay, then what about the labor that has been increased to 10% and the result is 3 bag of wheat?
Ma'am, here the output decreases due to
No,
more increase in the
so we'll
labor.
go back to your scenario, what you have said. That you have told me कि मैम वो इतने देखी पार्ची लेबर बढ़ेले हमारा रिजल्ट बढ़ुची तुम तो एटा कहल तो then have you ignored this third case?
Yes, ma'am. Excessive use of labor also leads to declining of output.
This is not your only scenario that is visible in the table. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, जेमती हमें law of variable proportion definition टाको सदा बड़े mind रे रखिबो and relate to the example that you are giving. First case रे कौन हैला ता पाखरे से गोटे person use करूथिला ताको 10 टा bag of wheat मिलला से 5 टा person को बढ़ेला ताको 20 bag of wheat मिलला से 10 टा person को बढ़ेला तार 3 टा bag of wheat हेगला. Why? Because he has used optimum amount of variable factor here for that case, for this case. So the result is in the negative or in the decreasing rate. This is the third case. First case रे कौन ला से तारा variable factors use करला तारा quantity use करला से तारा सब variable factor use करला he got profit of 10 bags of wheat. Then से 5% पड़ेला तारा 20 bags of wheat हैला किंतु जेतल से 10% कर देला तारा 3टा बैग ऑफ व्हीट प्रोड्यूस हेई पारिला से कोन 3टा बैग ऑफ व्हीट प्रोडक्शन पे ही तारा फार्म करथुई मते 2टा बैग ऑफ कॉटन मिलुची माने कॉटन इन सेंस your for example I am just producing 2 unit. I was producing 10 units of dresses, but right now I have increased all my variable factors and now I am getting 2 units of only 2 shirts. Is it a good production or it's a negative production? I will go in loss or I'll incur the profit. Mo profit on karibi na loss on karibi. It will make loss or profit. I was able to produce
Loss.
5 units of dresses. Now, after increasing all the variable factors, I am able to produce 1 unit of dress. Is it my loss or is it my profit?
Ma'am, it's loss.
Definition अनुसार example.
Yes, ma'am.
We can see he is keeping land. Land is a fixed factor, constant. He is increasing other input. Output at first keeps on increasing, but after some time, when these inputs are optimum, it starts decaying the process. Seeds became overcrowded, manure is in abundance, and the chemicals eat the output. So the farmer or the person or the landlord will incur the losses. बुझी आसला डेफिनेशन अनुसार तो एग्जांपल एबे बुझी आसला कोन पे कोला फर्स्ट इंक्रीजिंग रेट रे बढ़िबो देन डिमिनिशिंग रेट रे बढ़िबो देन नेगेटिव हेजबो बुझी आसला कांसेप्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
गुड एग्जांपल देकी तुमको सिंपल लैंग्वेज रे बुझाय चेष्टा करबी. ओके सपोज देयर इज 1 acre ऑफ लैंड जेटा म आर क्लास रे भी देखली यदि मन थिबो तो at first mo use kali labor mo to labor ho mora khali labor and output रे will go. Okay, labor mo gote use kali I was getting the output of 5. Okay, now I have increased my labor to 2. I am getting the output of 6 suppose. Okay, I have increased to 3 and I am getting the output of 1. Okay, now a stage रे increasing rate रे बढ़ुथिला मोते profit होथिला at this stage I was doing good मोर ठीक बेपार चलथिला मो सब बेपार ठीक ठाक कर पड़थिली. Okay, at 8 stage रे I also did good, it was good ठीक ठाक चलला but एठी मते दीटा लेवल को हायर करिया पड़ला. जेते बेले मो तीनटा लेवल को हायर कली मते सेते बेले गोटे आउटपुट मिलला. I got one output which is your negative. Which is a negative factor. Why? कौन पाई देखो normally गते मु गोटे लोकों को हायर करूची मु तांको तो आसिकी एठी खालटे रे बसिकी नो आउटपुट दवा पे हायर करूनी. I am hiring a person to give them salary. In return what I will get? I'll get the productivity. Understood? Now here my productivity is equal to negative because in this stage my business will go into loss. A stage रे मो business loss रे जियोची ମୁଁ ଲସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବିଜନେସ୍ ଟା କରିଛି କି?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
ବୁଝେଇଲା increasing rate ରୁ decreasing କେମିତି ଆସିଲା? କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ reason ରେ decrease କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା, negative କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା? Because at the end of the month I am going to give these 3 people the salary. ମୁଁ ଏଇ ତିନିଟା ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କ salary ଦେବି ନା କାଟିଦେବି production ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି? Can I do that?
No, ma'am.
So that's why here we have gone to the negative stage. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you people give me an example of law of variable proportion. हम आपको एक example देके बुझाओ. Law of variable proportion. To give me an example and explain the law of variable proportion to me. Quick. जल्दी गोटे माइंड रे गोटे जल्दी फ्रेम करो. I am giving you 5 minutes of time. Frame a example in your mind. Explain that example to me with explanation of the law of variable proportion or definition. दीटा को definition रे जेमती satisfy करथबो तुम example को. 5 minutes of time देली 47 HE. I will ask you in start 52. At 4:52 I will ask you the example. I have to explain me the same. जल्दी भागो. ଭାବିଲ ନା ଭାବୁଛ?
Yes, ma'am.
ଭାବୁଛ in process ଅଛ?
I'm computer.
Suman. Okay, wait till 52. I have given the time till 52. I will ask you to explain at 52. Okay. Okay, Suman, explain.
Ma'am, if we have 1 acre of land and we hire
Wait,
a
wait.
one,
I'll write it on the board. Wait. I'll write it on the board.
ma'am, 1 acre of land and we hire one labor and production is 50 unit.
Labor production is 50 units. Okay.
Ma'am, then we hire 3 laborers, the production is 90 units. Ma'am, when we hire 6 labor, then it becomes 120. 110, 110. Ma'am, 110.
Okay.
Then in each labor, it becomes the same 110. Ma'am, when we hire 10 laborers, it becomes 100.
This much.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, again, if we hire more labor, then it will decrease.
And we'll hire more labor, it will decrease. What will decrease better?
Ma'am, that production.
ଏଇଠି ତୋର ତୁ ଯେତିକି ଗ୍ରାଫ ମତେ ଡାକିଛୁ ଏଥିରେ ତୋର ଡିକ୍ରିଜ କୋଉଠି ହଉଛି? There is a decrease rate.
Ma'am, 50 to 90 it increases, and from 110 it increases, then it remain constant, then it start decreasing 100 to 100.
Now what is your the stage? What is the stage that we have passed through?
Ma'am, first stage is increasing, it is in increasing rate.
So तू कहो you are saying to make it very simple to others also. You are saying कि धरकर हमें 11 number of people hire करवा, then this will go down to 9. Suppose 70. तो एटा कौन तो?
Yes, ma'am.
It will go to 70. Okay. Now increase the increasing stage, and what is the decreasing stage?
Ma'am, 50 to 90 it is increasing state, then 90 to 110 it decreases slightly, then 110 to 110 it is it remain constant, and then it started decreasing.
Now this is the stage of your negative return.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the stage of your increasing return, and then diminishingly increasing, and then diminishing return, then is your negative return, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who else could not understand this explanation of Suman and this example? Okay, Bujipallani, this Q is your output rate. Who could not understand this example? Okay, Bujipallani example ta.
Ma'am, it only land ro hi example देई होबो कि?
No, land is actually a fixed factor that you can take. Hela. To the land, to the building. Land is actually the fixed factor to be very बुझिया पे easy way and to write an example also easy way. To the land no no तो को factor example explain करे वो चेष्टा करियो. Suppose you are not taking land. What will you take?
Ma'am, जदि तो factory रो किछि factory रो example नि हला factory रो.
No problem. If you take factory also, you had one factory. কিন্তু fixed factor is a constant, Supriya. Okay, whatever you take, Land is always an easy concept and the basic concept to understand to everyone. Generally, what a mindset data, it's a perception and it's a perspective also. So we are taking land over here. If you don't take land, take your factory, no problem. Take one factory. It is also your fixed factor, but this one should be your fixed factor. Okay, fixed factor will always remain constant. You can frame your own example, no issue, but it must justify. Okay, empty you cannot take random example. Okay. Okay. Go to factory also, you are using the labor over there is 1, your output is 50. You are using labor 3, your output is 90. You can take it like that, but you need to frame it. Frame
Ma'am,
perfectly.
instead of labor, can we use machinery?
No problem. Very innovative. No problem. Use machinery. When we had one machinery, the output. No, this machinery will be your machinery can take it, but then your framing of example will be quite little different. Okay. Now, जब तुम machinery ले लो, what will you take over here? Labor side कौन लोगे? If you take machinery in this side, what will you take in this side? So left and right hand side, what will you take over here? Then the output factor maybe add up to understand it basically the raw material add up raw material then output. Okay. You can frame your own examples. You can frame your own examples, but land is why land is more accurately is there everywhere because land is the basic thing and that is a fixed factor. Like generally we get to say jo land inside a basic mind because land is a fixed factor. We are not going to change. If you have 1 acre of land, we have 1 acre of land. So in that acre of land, we are changing the variable output. Okay. So to the factory now you have to take raw materials then output. You take 1 raw material, your output was this. If you take 2 raw materials, then your output was that. Then you take 4 raw material, 1 machinery is there, then your output will be decreasing because gote machinery ame adhika output de dele. Amara law variable proportion state kon korchi. First increase jauchi, then decrease achi. Kon pai because optimum use of variable factors. So optimum use of certain factor will lead us to the decreasing rate. Which is
Yes, ma'am.
Frame your examples, no worries, frame your examples, but the examples should be justifiable and it should complement your definition. Okay? Innovativeness will be very good. Okay, for today we will end with this. Okay, so in the next class, I will let you know when we are going to have the next class. And then we will read about these 3 stages and return to factor. We will read vividly ki increasing rate re kaun hochi, decreasing rate, diminishing rate re kaun hochi, then negative rate re kaun hobo. Okay, we'll discuss in that class. Bye bye, everyone. Stay safe. Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
when is our exam?
When is your exam?
Ma'am, you told.
I told when is your exam. I'll tell you when will your next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Suman, आज ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ଛତୁଆ ଟିକେ ଖାଇକି ଶୋଇପଡ଼ ରାତି ହେଲା ଛତୁଆ ଟିକେ ଖା ମୁଁ ବି ଖାଏ ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବି ବେଳେ ବେଳେ କାମ କରେନି ତ ମୁଁ ବି ଛତୁଆ ଖାଏ ତୁ ଖା ଆଜି ହେଲା ବାଏ ଟେକ୍ କେୟାର